you're back. It's been a while, apologies for that. We've been pretty busy, but we've cracked on. Quite a lot's happened. We've got new carpet and we love it. It's so much nicer than the dust that we've had for the weeks, but let's go up and we'll start that way round. We've started putting the grip on the stairs and we're in the office. Again, we've got the carpet following throughout, so we're super happy about that. Little details with the spiral staircase that were all sorted. We got some of the desks yesterday. Poor guy started building them. It must have been about 25 degrees in here, but yeah, looking cool. Still got some cupboards and TVs and things like that to finish, but it's getting there. It's looking habitable now, and we'll go through. In here, it's pretty much the same. The main thing that needs doing is cleaning. It is absolutely filthy. Luckily, we have another division of the company, detailing, that do all the cleaning of the private jets and things like that. So those guys are going to come in and give us a hand. It is everywhere. Window ledges, you wouldn't believe where the dust is. So before we can move in, which is very soon, hopefully next week, we'll just completely gut the place and completely clean it head to toe. Cutting machine is still the same. That's all ready to go. It's desperate to get cutting, so we're looking forward to using that. But if we head downstairs, there's a big difference there. And here we are, biggest change. Tons of dust. Our beautiful black staircase is looking pretty horrible at the moment, so we'll get that sorted. This is part of the machining facility here. So we've got all the bays, the tables, everything's been calculated so that we've got even distribution of table space. It's so white. It is kind of sunglasses white, but it just means we're not going to get any pickup on the material, so we can keep the covers as clean as possible when they leave here. A couple of little neat features. The sockets for the machines and the hot knives and things like that, when we leave of an evening, get a bit paranoid that something's been left on by accident. It'd be such a pain to burn this place down having just done all this work. So what we've done is over here by the light switch, as you go to leave, this turns the light off. This one kills the entire working floor. So everything that could possibly cause an issue is just dead. So as long as that's off, you've got the confidence that nothing can have been left on. That's it for down here. There's a lot more features, but we'll show you those as we get moved in. Let's go into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, we've pretty much finished up. We've got all the splashbacks on, everything's grouted, a little bit of plinth work to finish off. This has kept our factory going, the build, the whole way through. So my mum's a bit of a whiz with cakes, so that's been powering us through. So that's not for sharing. And into the bathrooms, cool little details, male and female bathrooms. I think there's only just a worktop. That's all we need in there. And this one again is pretty much there. Splashbacks, we've got mirrors, copper piping, just needs some plastic coat on it. But other than that, that's all ticked off and done. And then we've got our door through here going into reception where we've got a window in it, so we can see if you're stood there, we know you've arrived. But let's go back there and that completes the circle. And that's it. Back in reception. So 1 week to go and that should be us back in, but we're going to crack on and we'll see you on the other side.